friends. Today we're going to be reviewing a journey in counting and comparing, and we're going to be reviewing turtles and numbers. So if you can't tell, this is our turtle down here that we're going to be helping today. First of all, our objective today is going to be that students will compare two sets of objects. So using the numbers 1 through 5. And we're going to be using language such as same, more, or fewer. If you don't know what that means yet, then that's completely okay. We're going to be reviewing that today. Let's go ahead and review some vocabulary for this lesson. Our first vocabulary word today is more. More is a larger number of an object in a group. An example of this is that this right here is an example that the group has more apples than just the one. So this bag of apples has more than just that one apple. So we would say it has more. Can you say more? More. Good job. Our next vocabulary word today is going to be fewer. Fewer is a smaller number of objects in a group. So, for an example, this group has fewer blocks than the other one. We have 3 blocks in this one, and we have 6 blocks in the other. With that being said, the one with 3 is fewer. Can you say fewer? Fewer. Great job. Our next vocabulary word is set. When you see a set of something, that is a group of objects. So right here, I have a set of 3 pencils. Good job. Our next vocabulary word is same. When something is the same, that means that both groups have the same number of objects. So an example of this, guys, is both groups had the same number of bears. We have 2 bears on one side and 2 bears on the other side. That means they're equal or the same. Can you say same? Same. Great job. Our next vocabulary word today is going to be the word compare. When you're comparing something, we're going to look at two things and see if they are different or the same. So when we look at these two groups or two sets, do we remember we said sets is a group of something? The two groups of toys. So we have 3 balls in this set and 2 balls in this set. The one with 3 is greater because it has more. The one with less is the one with 2. We just compared. You did such a good job. Remember, when you compare, it's when you look at two things and see how they are different or the same. What's something that's the same about these sets? That's right. They're all one object, and that is balls. All right, great job at comparing, guys. Now, let's go ahead and go to our next one. Our next vocabulary word is going to be the word count. When you count, that's to say numbers in order to find out how many there are. An example of this is let's count how many bears they have. So let's do that. There's 1, 2, 3 bears. Great job. We just counted. Can you say the word count? Count. Great job. Let's go to our next vocab word. Our next vocabulary word today is number. And a number is a symbol or word that tells us how many. So, an example of this is if we have 3 bears here, I put the number 3. Right here is the number 3, and that's the symbol for our number. Can you say number? Number. Great job.
Today, we're going to read the story Tilly the Turtle's Berry Hunt. We're going to help Tilly the Turtle throughout this story and use some of our vocabulary words to help solve her problems. Are you ready to help her? Great job! Let's see if we can help her. One sunny morning, Tilly the Turtle woke up feeling hungry. Oh dear, Tilly sighed. I need some yummy berries for breakfast. She slowly made her way to Farmer Joe's garden, where she found 2 berry baskets. One basket was big and full. The other basket was small and light. Tilly blinked. I need the basket with more berries. Which one is it? Can you look and compare just to see which one has more berries? Let's make a guess. Just then, Benny the bunny hopped by. Tilly, let's count the berries in each basket to see which one has more, he suggested. They counted together. The first basket had 2 berries. 1, 2. The second basket had 5 berries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which basket has more? Benny asked. Tilly smiled. The second basket. It has more berries than the first basket. Great job, Benny cheered. Now you have a big berry breakfast. Just as Tilly was about to eat, Max the squirrel scurried over. Wait! I need to gather acorns for winter. But I don't know if I have enough. Can you help me compare? Max showed Tilly 2 piles of acorns. One pile had 4 acorns. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other pile had 4 acorns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tilly tilted her head. Both piles have the same number of acorns. Max did a happy dance. Thanks, Tilly. You're great at comparing. These 2 groups are equal. Just then, Farmer Joe walked up holding 2 bowls of berries. Tilly, you have helped your friends compare today, so here's a little treat, he said with a smile. Farmer Joe put 2 bowls of berries. One bowl had 6 berries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One bowl had 3 berries. 1, 2, 3. Tilly grinned. The first bowl has more berries. I'll take that one, Farmer Joe chuckled. That's right, Tilly. You sure know your more, fewer, and same.
Wow!
Tilly happily munched on her berries, tummy full, ready to teach her friends more math fun next time. The end. Can you help Tilly some more? Awesome! We're going to help Tilly with some more problems. Our first extension asks which bowl has more. In this bowl, we have 3 berries. 1, 2, 3. And under it has the number 3. The next bowl has 6 berries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which bowl has more? Great job. That's right. The one with 6 berries has more. All right. Now we're going to help Tilly with another problem. We have 2 bowls again. Now it wants to know which one has less. Remember, less means the one with the least amount. Which one has the least amount? The one with 4 acorns or the one with 3 acorns? The one with 3 acorns has less. It has 1 less than 4. Great job. Let's help Tilly with one more question. Ooh, Tilly looks like she has some yummy berries. This question she's asking, which bowl has more? In this bowl, we have 2 berries. And in the other bowl on the right, we see 1 berry. Which one has more? What do you think? That's right. The one with 2 has more. Great job. Tilly says thank you very much. You guys have done so good today, and now you are comparing experts. Now you can ask questions at home and find some items to compare. Here's an activity that you can do. You can find groups of items to compare at home, and then you can ask questions like, how many are in each set? What are in the groups? And which one has more? And which one has less? You guys did so good today and are so smart. I'll see you all next time.
Goodbye.